The leading edge of the outer slats and half of the centre slats of each wing can be heated to provide ice protection for the wings. Hot air is used for heating these areas. This hot air can come from the engines or the APU, up to 20,000 feet. Each wing has 2 anti-ice shut-off valves. If the bleed air is supplied from an engine, then only one valve is active. If there's a problem, then the other valve can be selected. With APU bleed, both valves are active all the time. These valves will close automatically if an engine fire handle is pulled while the crossfeed valve is closed, or the main landing gear struts are compressed, or low bleed pressure. On the ground, the wing anti-ice system can be tested, but it will only operate for 10 seconds when switched on. This is in order to prevent damage to the wing structure. When this message appears on the left ECAM, engine ice protection should be started. It's then normal to check for ice on the wings by looking back at the leading edge of the wing. At night, the wing lights should be switched on. As soon as ice is seen, either on the wings or on the windshield, wing anti-ice should be used. From the anti-ice panel, you can control the ice protection for both wings and both engines. Remember that it's normal practice to turn the engine ice protection on before the wing ice protection. Let's engage the anti-ice system for both of the wings. A message appears on the left ECAM display informing you that wing anti-ice is now on. Anti-ice symbols appear on the air bleed page, and of course the push-button light comes on. In this case, the bleed air supply is coming from the engines. The normal anti-ice valve in each wing is open, while the alternate valve is closed, so the bleed air passes through one valve only. If, when operating with engine bleed, an anti-ice valve fails, the other valve can be selected. To change valves, we use the Mode Selector alternate push button on the anti-ice panel. Change the wing anti-ice valves now. The fault light comes on momentarily while the valves move. With the APU supplying bleed air for wing anti-ice, all 4 anti-ice valves are open all the time. Now let's observe a failure concerning the wing anti-ice valves. Select the forward arrow when you're ready. The fault light comes on if the wing anti-ice valve position does not agree with its push button.